Hey there, Instagram users. Are you tired of your Instagram account and want to take a break from it? Or maybe you want to delete your account permanently? Well, we've got good news for you. In this video, we'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account in just a few easy steps. First, open up your Instagram app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the three lines at the top right of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, tap Setting and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. Tap Account Center. This will take you to your account center page. Tap Accounts. This will take you to your account management page. Tap Personal Details. This will take you to your personal information page. Select Account Ownership and Control. This will give you the option to deactivate or delete your account. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. This will give you the option to deactivate your account. Select the account you want to deactivate. This will select the account you want to deactivate. Tap Continue. This will take you to the confirmation page. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Instagram account. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can now take a break from your Instagram account or delete it permanently. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments below how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.